Dear do so no Adom TROTRO Prince who so see do akopie mu o mempasem na de osrani akwahwe pharmacist ne client ono so beto ade no ono edi nkomo
TROTRO ene etwegum life ene de TROTRO no aba be pie mu ewo Legon ye ne enwanum yi a wo mo eti he ahofe be di nkomo de afa osojeni a obora shop bi mu wasoma se yenkoto ade emre no ade omo koto e no yensan fanko wo mo ede ko shop na shop ni se enya de a wo mo ebesan agene ema no enu nti ni sojeni enti ni ho ase no no ankasa ko shop wo akọ bro shop attendant ni brete obi ogina ne nchen so wa bro na ka ho ye je omanfo adwenkyere e de afa adwenkyere won ne say.
So with me, I believe in communication. So no matter your rank, where you have gotten to, I believe we are humans. And then when we communicate, we understand. So with what he did, I think he should have communicated with the vendor and then even try to explain what happened to the person nearby so that even the person can be an intermediator between them and solve the issue rather than taking issues into his own hands.
Brofuna wakani ni na emu ode no. Wochira nsese nka sojeni no opre ne ho. Onya abotre na nka one wo mo ton ade no edi nkita hodi a enka bema asumdue aba na emum opre ne ho na akoma we ni na aba sesei wo mo asojafo aso ne mu twetwe wo so adwenkyere
we the magentren is na nsese wo yes ade no ni na nkita hodi na mo bobo ho na mo meet halfway. And at the same time, so after all of this now, it's me did this therapy so okay.
Wako shop bi pe ama wako to ade a omuka se sa ade ne yensan famba itifako na response no etise wo ho ye ozen.
Disappointed kakra, but now I was semi-famous because sika pudo na me dey atosa ade no na etrima kuma, but now I was semi-famous. Now next time I sense bioma my corrections no.
All right, won so adwenche.
My dream channel say won't say sometimes no shop owners no idea omoye no bufu but na ni kwan say okobo attendants no, especially as a military person when say want to me you say sad and violence for on civilians inti na ni kwan say yes sir say wo bufu kra like leave the place and Bibisa, don't act on it, on your anger. Yeah.
Obisu jinanchen nipa nso aburo na kan.
Clearly no officer no anger issues. Inti me sure say ye can be chair no inti edu ho no onhu bibia bio inti enwa no say obo bia me sure say a veteran and a bibi so clearly he needs some psychological help too as well. Yeah.
Shows kwan ben so na ebetimi afa control your anger. Se bibi say eba.
Me say no, for example, me say BBC in that note na me free ho. Me ho dwomia na me dream ho very very well. Na ma samba back, na ma ba tackle issue no. That's the only way. That's like the best therapy for me.
Therapy the more than.
With me, when I'm pissed, I smile a lot. So most time people might think what is going on is not affecting me because I smile a lot. And then when I'm pissed, I love to be silent because I don't want to say anything that at the end of the day I would be held accountable for it. So that is it. Sometimes when we are pissed, we have to be patient, and then when we think we can't control it, we just have to be quiet.
Madam, in the bro for emotion. The okanina say ono no se ni bufu a ana osere eti se ohun so osere ana se ni bu na efu o enye ye de ni bi ye de no opposite se na emuna enim on de sere enti ba ni sa na onkeka ne ho nkọ bebi a asem de sini na mum ohun se otwetwe ne ho kakrakra ohun so
so me there are two things I do. Either say made in menkasa and I say sometimes we say na me masate say me kasa ba me kasa na muze baby ekono me buefu pa na me feel crowd once and yes I ain't cry.
Wow, ene pa me ne ahofem ma na edi nkomo mo se mu na mafo trotro da. Mafo trotro da. se wo fu trotro na se car no eye ma mate ni ka say mate na ya de no ka se mo ti se mate no ka we anamonti etimi ni mu na bom ne age so se trotro no eye ma mate ni age so say away
Prince also said do na yete no